Hi guys, happy morning. I hope you all are doing good. In the last session, we had discussed what are the Cole-Pearson coefficient of correlation for group data. Even all of you know the procedure and what is the format you have to write in the your answer paper. There is a right side and left side. I think this is the format. All of you ready? So can I have a solution now? Okay. Now the first point I'm going to start, what is dx, what is dy? How to calculate the dx and dy? So that should be important. Imagine here, the very easy to write dx dy for all the problems. Just listen carefully. Look at that. You have to check what is the width of x and width of y. 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, then 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4. Look at that. Width is same. Not only this problem. All the problem width is same only. In that point, you have to write dx column is 0, 1, 0, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is called dx. Similarly for dy, with the width is same for x and y column. 1, 2, sorry, the first one is 0, no? Yes, first one is 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, then 4. Okay. So this is for dx and dy. All the problem, please write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. The next, I'm going to start. What is fx? Fx nothing but we need to total it. So which total? This way. This total, this total, this total, this total, and this total. You have to write in the fx column. Similarly for column also, and this way you have to add column y, that should be fy and that should be fy and fx. Okay, now can I start the first number? Okay, let's see what are the number comes. Is your 3 plus 4 plus 2 plus, yeah, that's all, remaining was 0. The 9 is the answer. 9. Okay, let me go to second one. 4 plus 8 plus 8 plus 2. Okay, so 20. Okay, the next 7 plus 12 plus 8 plus 4, 31. Okay, the next one 3 plus 8 plus 8 plus 5, 24. Okay, the next one 3 plus 5 plus 6, that is 14. Okay, next come to column. So this way you have to add. This way, yes. Okay, let's see what is the total here. 3 plus 4, that is 7. The next 4 plus 8 plus 7 plus 3, 22. Okay, the next one 2 plus 8 plus 7 plus 3, 20. The next one 2 plus 8 plus 8 plus 5, 23. The last one 4 plus 5 plus 6, 15. 1 plus. Okay. Now we are going to find what is capital letter N. How to find capital N? Yes. Look at that. Add this total, fx total. So what we get? 9 plus 22 plus 31 plus 24 plus 40. Yes, I got 100. Let's see this total also. 7 plus 22 plus 20 plus 23 plus 50. Yes, we got 87. Can I have a check once again? 7 plus 22 plus 20 plus 23 plus 50. 87 I got. Somewhere total wrong. Can you check? 3 plus 4 is 7. 8 plus 4, yeah. 4 plus 8 plus 7 plus 3. Repeat. 4 plus 8 plus 7 plus 3. 22 correct. Okay. Now 2 plus 8 plus 12 plus 8 plus 3. Oh, this is 33. Sorry. This one is 33. Yeah. I think now it's correct answer. Yeah. Okay, now 7 plus 22 plus 33 plus 23 plus 50. Yes, 100. Yes, we got 100. Now you are able to FX total, FY total. Definitely we got N is equal to 100. Yes. So N is equal to 100. Now let me go to next one. N is equal to 100. Now, okay. Next thing, you should multiply fx into dx. Okay, here we go. 9 into 0, 0. The next one, fx into dx. 1 into 22, there is a 22. Next, 2 into 31. 2 into 31, that is 62. Next, 24 into 3, 72. Next, 4 into 14, 56. Okay, then come to down. Fy into dy. 0 into 7, 0. Next, 1 into 21, 22. Next, 2 into 33, 66. Next, 3 into 23, 69. Next, 4 into 15, 4 into 15, 60. Okay. Now we go for the total. What is the total here? See, summation fx dx is equal to summation fy dy. Okay, let me check the total. 0 plus 22 plus 62 plus 72 plus 56. Yes, I got 212. Very good. 212. Next, 0 plus 22 plus 66 plus 69 plus 60. Yes, I got 217. Okay. Yes. Next, next we are going to discuss dx square. Dx square, dx is that you have to square it. 0 square is 0, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. Okay. Now come to dy square. 0 square is 0, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. Okay. Now we are able to multiply fx into dx square. Okay, fx is here, dx is here. Fx is here, dx is just multiply. Okay, so what we get? 9 into 0, there is a 0. Okay, here we get 0. Next, 22 into 1, 22. Next, 31 into 4, 31 into 4, 124. Next, uh, 24 into 9, 216, 216. Next, 14 into 16, 224. Okay, yes. Now come to down. Fy dy square. 7 into 0, 0. Okay, now 22 into 1. Fy dy square. 22. Next, 2 into 66. 2 into 66. 132. Next, okay, just a minute. That went wrong here. So to be considered. Uh, Fy dy square. No, okay. This is device for your 2 square is 4. Sorry, 2 square is 4. Fine. The next 33 into 4, 132. Next Fy dy square. 23 into 9, 207. Last one. Fy dy square. 15 into 16, 240. Okay, yeah. This one 9 into 0, 31 into 4, 24 into 9, 24 into 9, 216. 15 into 16, 224. Yeah, correct. Now we go for total. Yes. So total is summation of fx dx square total, summation of fy dy square total, and sum of double summation fx fxy dx dy. Let's see what is the answer. Now total it. 0 plus 22 plus 124 plus 216 plus 224. I got 586. Okay, this is 586. Down 0 plus 22 plus 132 plus, just a minute, 0 plus 22 plus 132 plus 207 plus 240. Okay, 601. Oh, 601. Yes, now the last table we are in, that is called double summation fxy dx dy. Here, please concentrate guys, how to do this one. Look at that, each box is there, no? This is called fx, fxy. And same thing here, this is a dx. And same thing here, this is a dy. What we'll do, the formula fxy dx dy. Each box, the number into dx dy, we should multiply for all group data. Repeat once again. Each box, the number is there, that is called fxy, and corresponding that is dx, and corresponding that is dy. Let me see this one how you multiply. 3 into dx into dy, 4 into dx into dy, 2 into dx into dy. Like that, we should calculate now. Okay, let me go for the calculation. It's important, guys. Listen carefully. Okay. Now, yes. Now we'll go the calculation part. Okay. After completion of table, we'll go to the next step. That is double summation fxy dx dy. How to calculate double summation fx dx dy? Listen carefully now. Concentrate each the box. There is a number, that is 3 into 0 into 0, that is 0. 4 into dx into dy, that is also 0. 2 into 0 into 2, 0. 0 into 0 into 3, 0. 0 into 0 into 4, that is 0. Okay. Any number multiplied by the term should be a 0 only. Yes. This is also 0. This is also 0. This is also 0. Then here also goes to 0. Then this number also goes to 0. Okay. Let me multiply. Yes, this one. Concentrate here. Oh, this is also 0. Okay. Now, 8 into 1 into 1. This is the 8 only. Yes. Look at this one. 8 into dx into dy. 8 into 1 into 2. That is 16. Okay. Now, 2 into 1 into 3. That is 6. Okay. Done. Now, 7 into dx into dy. That is 7 into 2 into 1. 7 into 2 into 1. That should be 14. Now, this one. 12 into 2 into 2. 12 into 2 into 2. That is 48. Okay, 48. Next, 8 into 2 into 3. 8 into 2 into 3. That is also 48. Okay. Now 4 into 2 into 4. 4 into 2 into 4. That is 32. 4 into 2 into 4. Okay. The next, that one, 3 into 3 into 1. That is 9. Now 8 into 3 into 2. 8 into 3 into 2. 48. Okay. This one, 8 into 3 into 3. 8 into 3 into 8 into 3 into 3. Yeah. 72. Okay. That is 72. Last one, 5 into 3 into 4. 5 into 3 into 4. 60. Okay. Now last row. 3 into 4 into 2. 3 into 4 into 2. 3 into 4 into 6. So 24. 24. Now 5 into 4 into 4 into 3. 5 into 4 into 3. So 60. 5 into 4 into 3. Last one. 6 into 4 into 4. 6 into 4 into 4. Look at that. 6 into 4 into 4. That is 96. Okay. All boxes total is over. Now row total should be an individual of summation fx by dx dy. Column total is that is the summation of fx by dx dy. Let me go for this total. Okay. Yes. This total that is 0. No problem because all numbers are 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. Okay. Yes. Next. We should add 14 plus small box 8 plus, sorry, 8 plus 16 plus 6, that is 30. Next, 14 plus 48 plus 48 plus 32. 14 plus 48 plus 48 plus 32. That is 142. Okay. Next one, 9 plus 48 plus 72 plus 60 is 189. The next one, 24 plus 60 plus 96, that is 180. Let me do the total that. 30 plus 142 plus 189 plus, just a minute, 189 plus 180. Repeat once again, 30 plus 142 plus 189 plus 180. Yes, 541. Okay, let me do this total. That is all 0. Next, 8 plus 14 plus 9, 31. 8 plus 14 plus 9. Next, 16 plus 48 plus 48 plus 24. 136. Next, 6 plus 48 plus 72 plus 60. 186. Next, 32 plus small box you have to add column wise. 32 plus 60 plus 96. 32 plus 60 plus 96 is 188. Let me total for that one. 31 plus 136 plus 186 plus 188. 541. Yes. Same answer comes. Whatever the calculation was, 100% correct. Okay. 541. Let me go the calculation. Okay. Again, I'm opening whiteboard. Yes. Ready for the calculation. Okay. Ready for the calculation. Okay. The capital N is 100. Summation fx dx is 212. Summation fy dy is 217. Summation fx dx square is equal to 586. summation fy dy square is equal to 601. Double summation fxy dx dy that is equal to 541. Okay, let's write formula first. Or xy is equal to n into summation, sorry, n into double summation fxy dx dy minus summation fx dx summation fy dy whole divided by square root n summation fx dx whole square minus summation fx dx the whole square into n summation fy dy square minus summation fy dy the whole square. Okay. Now we are going to substitution 100 open bracket 541 close bracket minus 212 into 217 close bracket whole divided by square root 100 open bracket 586 minus 212 whole square into 100 open bracket 601 minus 217 the whole square. That is equal to, take your calculator. Uh, yes, calculator is 100 open bracket 541 close bracket minus open bracket 212 into 217 close bracket 8096. 8096 divided by square root, that is calculation 100 open bracket 586 close minus open 212 close, that is square. I got 13656. 13656 into 100 open bracket 601 close minus open 217 close, put x square there. Now we got 13011. Okay, now we go to the next page. Or xy is equal to 8096 8096 divided by square root. That multiplication we need. 13656 into 13011. Yes. That divides this 177,678,216. Now 8096 divided by, that you can see the root. Root of 177,678,216. I got 13,329.5992. Last answer RXY is equal to 8096 divided by 133,133,29.5992. This I got 0.6073. Yes. You have to write the comment also, guys. Comment here. Comment is important. Through degree, we are able to identify and directive and directive moderate, moderate positive, moderate positive correlation between x and y. Yes, guys, very important question, 10 marks. Please practice it. Definitely a homework question. Please practice it. Thank you.